Okay, Paul here from EMD. Today I'm doing a door lock on this Porsche Cayenne. The customer bought it. Just want to show you the rundown what's happening with this actually job. So you got to remove the door trim off, and when you finish removing the door trim, you got to actually remove the door skin, which is you got to drill all the top rivets. There's some rivets here, one there, and all the top one here. They're all rivet to the actual body of the actual car there. So you got to drill them out first, take this skin off, so we can actually move the door frame to get the door lock out. There's no way you can get the door lock out with the door frame in the way anyway. So wiring harness got to come off, everything's got to come off to actually get that to the actual. The reason why we're just trying to move it up maybe like about 2 inches so we can get this door lock out, put everything back together on the other one, test it, and before we put it back on. Okay, so we'll do that first. There's a door trim there. It's a pretty involved job just to do this. It's not like a quick job that you think it's very easy to do. And you got to drill this off as well, and then you got to put new ones in. Rivet it through there and rivet through there as well. I'll show you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.